we all love jiu-jitsu and judo is because we have a fighting nature in us. Humans want to physically fight. And if we repress that, it's going to come out in some other area.
Yeah. So why don't we create a healthy environment like combat-based sanctuary where we can come, learn, get that out, and then go back and be peaceful.
And war, martial arts, martial means pertaining
military.
to military, pertaining to war. Like all this stuff came about because of fighting.